Hey everyone, here are 5 things you should know about the new Adobe Express. Let's start off with my first favorite one, and that is brands. So I've got a standard Express template here, one that I search for photographers, and with any Express template, I would go ahead and change the information to what applies to me. So I just do a triple click and change the name to my name, and of course the next thing I need to do is change the photo to my photo. Now, I could just replace it with one from my hard drive like I always do, but my first favorite thing is brands. If you set up brands, which I've set up several here, that means you'll have content that you can always grab that's always ready to go, whether you're on desktop or mobile. So I've got my TWP, Terry White Photography brand, and as you can see, it's got logos, colors, fonts, templates that I've customized, as well as assets that I can use. So I can just simply replace that with one of my photos. Now, the next thing I can do is I can go back to brands. I'm not replacing this time. I'm just going to go ahead and grab a logo because, you want to put your logos on for your branded content. So I've done that. Now, the next thing I want to do is put this template on brand, and this is brand new or back to Adobe Express. This is a feature you've been waiting for. And that's the ability to take one of your brands and apply it to a generic template. So that way you get your fonts, you get your colors, you get the style to keep everything on brand. So the first favorite thing is brands. Now I'm gonna give you a bonus. This has nothing to do with the top 5. It's just a new thing I think is pretty cool. And that is the ability to take one of your static pages, like in this case, it's just a photo and text, and turn it into a video by animating anything on the page. You can animate everything on the page if you want. So if I select that text and I click animation, that's not new, but there's a new typewriter effect that will basically take your text and allow you to get that typewriter look to it. So if you're trying to create something cool, special effects, something from the Matrix, you can do that. So you can animate by the character, the word, or the line. You can speed it up, slow it down, but that will create a video now so that when you export this page out as a video, you can share it as a video post. And again, everything on the page can be animated separately. So you can bring in the URL, you can bring in the photo separately, you can loop them, you can do all kinds of things with animation. So that's +1. So brands, typewriter effect. Now let's go on to number 2. Number 2, I've just got a standard page here that I want to schedule. And that is my number 2 favorite thing, is that not only can I share directly to my favorite social media platforms, but I can also schedule a post. So that way it'll generate the thumbnail in a few seconds here, or generate the actual post. But while we're waiting for that, we can go ahead and choose which channels it's going to go out to. So I can say, put this out on my Terry White Photography Facebook page, as well as my Instagram page, my X page, my LinkedIn, my TikTok, any of those pages that I wanted to go out on. And of course, since I chose Instagram, it's going to ask me, do you want this to be a post, reel, or story? I'm going to make it a story, and we'll just give it a second for that to generate. Now, while that's generating, I also want to point out that you can schedule this post to post out on all those platforms in the future on your behalf, or you could just simply hit publish now, and away you go. And now that that's generated, the next thing you would do, and this gets into number 3, is you would put in your caption. Now, normally I would type a caption something like, check out the photos or the results from my latest photo shoot. Because I'm a pretty boring guy, and that's the kind of caption I would come up with. That's pretty boring. Luckily, I've got a writer in the form of AI built right in. So I can hit generate, and I can say, you know what, take my boring caption and rewrite it. So that way it'll generate a new caption, kind of based on what I said, but it's a much better caption. Get ready to be mesmerized by the stunning results of my latest photo shoot. Don't miss out on this opportunity to witness the magic firsthand. Now, once I insert that, anything you want to change about it, or if you think that's a little over the top, you can delete or change any part of it, but at least wrote a better caption than the one that I was going to write manually. And like I said, I can now publish this or preview it and or schedule it for later, and away it would go. So number 3, generating captions. Number 2 was scheduling. Now let's go on to a different tab where I've got Express open here, back to the home page. And I want to point out, this is not new, but it's often overlooked, and it's one thing you should know. Number 4 is that Adobe Express creates these beautiful social posts, has AI features, has templates, all this cool stuff. but a lot of people overlook the fact that you can actually generate or create, not generate, you can create a web page. So I can say, create a web page, and I'll do it from scratch. I'll put a title in, subtitle, put a background photo, and then as I scroll, I can put in my text and images. I'm not gonna make you watch me do that. I'm gonna show you one I've already done. Here's one I did way back on my trip in 2016 in Iceland. And as you can see, it's got a beautiful Iceland shot that I took in the background. And then it's got all the story about this particular trip. So you can add your photos, you can add your text, you can add videos, you can add links, you can add whatever you need to tell your story. It could be a product guide, it could be about an event, it could be anything you want that you need as a one-off web page that's not tying up your website, or maybe you don't need it on your website as a standard page. Maybe you just want to share this one with a link, and it will give you a link to this specific web page that you can share out to anyone you want. And even if you keep updating this page, they'll still be able to come back to it with this standard link that you generated and published. So you can publish it out to the web, and away you go. You get also some publishing options for like keeping you as the author. You can make it password protected even, and you can go ahead and put in credits. So I love the web page feature, and that's why it's my number 4. Last but not least, my number 5, and this is also going back to the home page and scrolling up to the quick actions, and it's one of my favorite quick actions. I use this quick action all the time. It's captioning videos. Now you might be saying, well, Terry, didn't you generate a caption already? Yes, I did, but this is a different kind of caption. This is a visible caption that will be on your video. And let me tell you why this is important. The reason you want to be able to do this for your social media posts is that people are scrolling by on their feed, and they see your video and they see you talking. But chances are, if they're like me, they have their phone on mute. They have their volume turned all the way down. So unless they choose to turn it up, they're not going to know what you're saying. This actually puts the words of what you're saying across your video automatically. And I highly recommend you do this for your social posts, because that way, no matter what, people are able to see what you said. And so here it is. If I were to go back to the beginning of this video now and hit play,
there's a cool feature
it's showing
overlooked in Adobe Express, and it's called Captions.
It's showing it. So I can go ahead and change the style of it. I like the block style where it's highlighting each word. And you could, if it made a mistake, you can go ahead and correct the mistake. You got the text right here. Make any changes and simply download the video with the caption intact, or open it in the editor, in the Express editor. If you want to edit the video, move the caption around, do anything like that, you can do that in the Express editor. So those are my 5 top things you should know about Adobe Express. Cheers, everyone. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.